Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes, smart device integration, satellite radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.